Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sophia and you're watching to my YouTube channel Sophia Growing. So guys, I hope that all of you are fine and doing good. So guys, welcome in our new video. In this video, we'll talk about a very unique platform, very trustable platform that is very interesting, great and amazing project. Yes guys, absolutely we are talking about Santa Claus. So guys, this platform is very amazing if you want to become billionaire. So don't forget to invest at that amazing project Santa Claus. How much you invest here, then how much you become billionaire. Yes guys, so today we are talking about Santa Claus, a detailed review about the Santa Claus. So before starting a detailed review about Santa Claus, I request to everyone that please subscribe to my YouTube channel Sophia Growing and never forget to press the bell icon. So guys, welcome in the world, in the universe of Santa Claus. It's a picture of Santa Claus. Now we'll start our video that the next revolutionary crypto token. Yes guys, it's a revolutionary crypto token, Santa Claus token. You can also say to it that it's a Santa Claus token. Here you can see that Santa Claus, the token of Christmas. Yes guys, it's a gift for you from Santa Claus in the coming of Christmas. Okay guys, and here you can see that here's a buy on white paper. You know guys that in white paper there are detailed review or detailed information about the project, any project that is about. And here you can see that even Elon got our back. And here you can see that Elon Musk, no better friend, no worse enemy. Here's a picture of Santa Claus versus Lucius Cornelis Sulla, and he has to saying that he has a list, is checking it twice, knows who's been naughty and nice, is coming to town. And here you can see that word Santa token. Now we are here to read about that what is Santa token. Blockchain technology allows new types of economic movements that could be the basis for the creation of a new world where wealth is no longer centralized. And Santa Claus token want to give something concrete to the people who need it and reward our supporters. Yes guys, it's a very amazing project. It's a very amazing token. I hope that you must invest at that project. And you can see here that what is the tokenomics liquidity lock. Click the lock to view. We click here to view that, then you can see that transaction details are here, that is sponsored by Binance, join the world's largest crypto exchange. And overview is here, the transaction hash. Here the address is and status is success. Block is 127 to 9039 and block confirmations is here. And timestamp is also here, and from is here. Interacted with two contract is here. At panic swap tokens transferred information is here. And value is 0 PNP, which is 0.000 dollar. Transaction fees here. BNB price is here, that is 572.22 BNB. Click to see more. If you want to see more, then you put here to click. And private note is to access the private note feature, you must be logged in. Yes guys, you must be logged in here to get a private note, and you can see here that powered by Binance, and which is BSC Scan is book explorer and analytics platform for Binance Smart Chain. And you can also see that its company community and developer APIs is also available here. And guys, if you go back, then you can see that. And now we are back, and here you can see the distribution of tokens, how are the tokens distributed. And you have to see here that 5% marketing wallet, 3% donation wallet, and 1% liquidity, and 1% Davis team. And here you can see that supply is 300 point triple zero dot triple zero clause. The token will run on the BSC network and will have a buy sell fee of 10% distributed as follows. The token contract is made in such a way that the fees will be sent directly to the wallets in BNB to avoid large sales during the donation period. And here you can see that what are the roadmap. So creating community, launch token on PanicSwap, start marketing, and send up paper 1 million market cap. And here you can see that website, NFTs, QueenGecko and CMC 10 million market cap. It also comes in a roadmap that mini game launch, partnership with Society for Donation, increase marketing, 100 million market cap, and donation all over the world, market cap on to North Pole. And here's the staking metaverse. Yes, guys, here that where can I buy? Here the contract address and buy it on Panic Swap. See the charts, and here you can see that our motivated team. So, what are the saying? Our motivated team, motivated team. We are a group of pioneers and investors in the cryptocurrency sector with experience in the field of marketing and development on the blockchain. We are philanthropists and we love the culture of wealth redistribution that blockchain technology allows us to have. Here is the gift request. So yes, guys, you can put your name, email address, your address, write requests for gift vouchers, specify the voucher you like the most, country of region, the choice of the gift, submit. Yes, guys, it's a very, very good opportunity for you to receive the gift. Yes, guys, if you want that to attain a gift, then you have to put information here for receiving gift. If you are selected, then you are one lucky people that you receive the any gift from Santa Claus. Yes, guys, it's a detailed information about Santa Claus. If we click at the white paper, then you can see. So guys, now we are on white paper. It's a team. We have read it already, and problem is that thousands of people every day risk death from malnutrition, and millions of people have no roof under their heads to sleep under. It is unfair that there are still realities. Realities of this type in 2021, considering the wealth that thrives in capitalist societies like sirs. And here you can see like ours, and here you can see that what is our vision. So our vision is that blockchain technology allows new types of economic movements that could be the basis for the creation of a new world where wealth is no longer centralized. Yes, guys, it's we also read out earlier, and tokenomics we also read it, and how we'll do it. Here you can see that there will be a well thought out management of the funds in the donation wallet. 50% of the total value on December 25 will be used for donations to charitable organizations chosen by the community and well valued. Yes, guys. So it's very, very, very amazing project for you people that's launched recently. Yes, guys, it's also helped the poor peoples, that is for charitable peoples. And here you can see that the holders to participate in the draw will have to send an email containing three requests for gift vouchers explaining the sites for from which they would like to obtain the gifts, and so on. And if we go next, and then you can see that mini game nfts. A mini game will be implemented on the website that will take into account the score of the participants, and a real challenge will be created where whoever gets the highest score will win a nft. And what metaverse for NFT game and staking is that once having made all his concrete after the Christmas holidays, we intend to create a metaverse where various games can be developed. And what is the community? The community of Santa Claus token will be one of the pillars of the project. Every important choice and every step we take will be taken with a board consideration of. Here's the consideration of is that the community ideas will be able to do this by creating polls to act in agreement with the majority. And why BSE? The project aims to be as inclusive as possible in order to give gifts to anyone. We are lovers of the Ethereum network, but given the high transaction costs that would have excluded possible smallholders, we prefer to use the BSE network. So, guys, Merry Christmas in advance. I hope that all of you are satisfied with all of my arguments, and it's a very, very amazing information about you about that project, guys. But if you have any questions, so put your question in comment box. I will give answer to all the questions. I hope that you enjoyed to my video, and thank you so much for watching my complete video.